Good morning, students. Welcome back again to your English class. Today we are again going to recapitulate the topic nouns. And today we're going to revise countable and uncountable nouns again. To start with, countable nouns are the words that can be counted. And they can exist both in plural as well as singular form. Here you can see in the picture a book, an elephant, a chair, and a car. They can also exist in plural forms. That means books, elephants, chairs, and cars. Next, we have uncountable nouns. Students, they only exist in singular form. That means we cannot write it as monies, we cannot write as milks. They only exist in the singular form. Here you can see a few examples of uncountable nouns we can see around daily. The words in the red color are the measuring words used with the uncountable nouns. For example, I can read the first line for you. A bottle of milk, a glass of water, a jug of water, a cup of tea, a packet of tea, a jar of honey. You can read the other examples as well. So, to revise with the rules, we use many, a few, and few with countable nouns. We use much, a little, and little with uncountable nouns. We use some, a lot of, and lots of with both countable and uncountable nouns. Remember these rules, students. Now, in your today's task, options are given to you. You have to choose the correct option to complete the sentences. First question, you have to choose the correct measuring word. For example, the first one, I have been there only once, so I don't remember dash. So here we are talking about memories. So which word are you going to use with that? So the correct answer is going to be, I have been there only once, so I don't remember much. Now in question number 2. Here in question number 2, you have to pay attention on the measuring word as well as the noun used with it. For example, I'll read the second one for you. Have you ever been to London? Yes, dash. So here, let's read the option. Much times, little time, a few times, little times. So you have to choose the correct option. So here, we are talking about how many times a person has visited London. So the correct answer is going to be a few times. That means you can count actually how many times you have visited to London. So that means we have to use a measuring word, a few, because a few is used with countable nouns. We can actually count the number of times a person has been to London. So the correct answer is going to be a few times. Part C. Likewise, you have to read all the sentences and you have to complete your worksheet. So that was your today's task. We will meet in the next class. Goodbye.